Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond in the chat. All right. Yes. Yeah. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. Very good evening. You can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, yes. Okay. Before starting our session, today I want to start my session by asking some questions. Now, guys, up to now, we had covered a lot of topics in our core Java classes. Okay. Now, if we want to call a method, if we want to call a method, how to call a method? How can we call a Java method? With the help of its respective class object. Okay. You know that we can access, we can call a static method directly with the help of class name. That is class name dot method name. Okay. You know that there are three types of variables are there. Instance, static, local. In how many ways we can access an instance variable? Answer three. Two ways. What are those? Identifier name and class object. Okay. Now my question is, can we access a non-static variable inside a static method? Yes. How? With the help of its respective class object. Why can't we access an instance variable inside a static method directly with the help of its name? Today, you will be understanding these particular concepts. Okay. Now, guys, today our topic is this keyword, PHIS. This. There are actually a lot of keywords are there. Lot of keywords are there in Java. Nearly 50 Java language keywords are there. Today, we are going to discuss about this keyword. Okay. So there are mainly four uses of this keyword. So first, I'm going to say points wise. First, I'll try to go with the first point. After that, a program related to that point. Second point, a program related to that point. Third point, a program related to that. Finally, last point and a program related to that. And by the end of the session, I will be giving you a task. After completing the task only, today you should leave. Either it may take 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11. Come on, no. 9:15, I don't mind. You should complete the task. Is it clear for you? Respond. Online students, please respond. Please respond. Oh, that is great. That is great. That is great. All right, guys. So let us start our session. Now, guys, 4 points. Just 4 points. Each point will take nearly 5 to 10 minutes of time, maybe 15 minutes of time, I guess. After explaining, writing the program, all. Each point will take 15 minutes of time. After completing these 4 points, then I'm going to give you a task. So maximum it will be completed within our time only, not at all a trouble. Okay. So first, please keep your heading as understanding this keyword. Understanding this keyword. Understanding this keyword. Note on a small point for me, please. This keyword in Java, just let me try to write like this. Understanding this keyword. Understanding this keyword. Okay. This keyword, this keyword in Java is used in four ways. Is used in four ways. Point number one. First point. Why there is lot of disturbance? Where? From that speaker, the sound is coming. Amma, could you please call anyone from outside? Online students, can you please wait for a minute? Guys, please silent. Silent. Speaker sounds. Silence. Okay, offline students, guys, I want you to kindly please wait. Why? Because if you are speaking, that sound is whether it's rectified or not, we don't know. Kindly please, please. సౌండ్ రావట్లేదా ఇప్పుడు సౌండ్ రావట్లేదా అదే డిస్టర్బెన్స్ లేకుంటే చాలు ఓకే గైస్ లింక్ All right. So fine. Online students, I hope you can hear my voice. Am I clear? Please respond. Am I clear? That is great. That is great. So yes, let us continue. So as I said, guys, this keyword in Java is used in 4 ways. It is used in 4 ways. Okay. First way, please note on the first point. It is used to resolve the, it is used to resolve the ambiguity. It is used to resolve the ambiguity between instance variables and local variables. Yes, it is used to resolve the ambiguity between instance variables and local variables. Okay, let us try to check this. Okay, guys, you know that we are having 3 types of variables. Okay, and you already know that if instance variable and local variable are having same name, then the first priority will be given to the local variable. If static and local are having same name, then the first priority will be given to the, if instance and static, we'll be getting an error here. We'll be getting an error, compile time error. Come on. Okay. Okay. Now let me just try to take a instance variable int a equal to 10, and I am trying to have a method. Okay. And here I just want to take a static variable also, static static int b equal to 20 like this. And now I just want to print my instance and static variables, both variables in my method one. All right, system.out.println. Just let me try to instance variable plus a, and exactly same. I'll be trying to write my static variable also plus b. A very, very simple code, which we already covered in our previous classes. When we go to my main method, and now inside my main method, new class A dot method one. Now just let me try to execute, right click, run as Java application. Yeah, we'll be getting an output that is instance variable and static variable. Yeah, very good. Now if I'm having a local variable int a equal to 111, int a equal to 111, and int b equal to 222, like that. This is instance variable, this is static variable. These two are local variables. These two are local variables. Now if I want to access my instance variable here and static variable here, our expected output is, here we should be getting 10 and here we should be getting 20, but you know that our output will be 111 and 222. Why? Because if instance variable name and local variable name both are same, then the first priority will be given to the local variable. Same applies for static variable also. In this particular situation, if I want to access my instance variable, you know that we can resolve that ambiguity by new class A dot A. Hey, yes or no here? Ambiguity means same, I mean, both the variables are having same name. Both the variables are having same name. So in that particular situation, if we want to resolve that, we can access an instance variable actually in 2 ways. What are those? Identifier name and class object. So clearly, if I'm using identifier name, I'm unable to access my instance variable. So I'm trying to access my instance variable with the help of my class object. And what about static variable? You know that we can access a static variable also with the help of class object. Am I right or wrong? Now right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting an output like that. Now guys, yes, behind in the background of every Java program, I repeat, in the background of every Java program, there will be a guardian angel who is working. What is that? Garbage collector. I already said this. Guys, garbage collector will be working in the background of every Java program. What is the use of garbage collector? No use, right? What is the garbage collector? It is going to destroy all unused or unreferenced objects from the heap area. Yes. As a matter of fact, you can create any number of objects in your program and stop worrying about destroying. In the background of every Java program, you will be having your garbage collector. It will work, no problem. It will destroy. But as a Java programmer, it is not at all a good programming practice to create number of objects. Why? Because you know that for every object, a separate copy of instance variable will be created. Yes or no? If you are creating multiple objects, obviously multiple copies of instance variable will be created, and that finally leads to memory consistency problems. So what I want to conclude is, it is not good programming practice to create multiple objects. Okay, so line number 12 and line number 13. I am trying to access. Let us first try to discuss about line number 13. I am trying to access a static variable with the help of class object. Nope, I don't want to use class object to access a static variable. So is there any another alternative for me? What is that? Come on. Class A dot B. Okay, fine. I don't want to use class object to access my instance variable also. So if I'm executing my program, you know that we'll be getting here output as 111. I want 10. Sir, create an object. No, I don't want to create an object. Then we need to use this keyword. This keyword. Guys, wherever you need an object, in the place of that object, you can use this keyword. Am I clear with this? So, sir, can I access a static variable also with the help of this keyword? Can I access means I want to write like this. If I'm removing line number 15 from the comment, am I going to get an error? Now, guys, once again, I'm saying you, wherever you want to create an object, you can write this keyword I'm saying. Now, answer my question. Can you access a static variable with the help of an object? Answer. So can I access a static variable with the help of this keyword? Yeah, I can access, no problem. Let me just try to execute, right click, run as Java application. See, instance variable and static variable 2 times. Sir, then why you have clearly mentioned it is used to resolve the ambiguity between instance variables and local variables? Why you did not give static variables? Why? Because for static variables, in order to resolve the ambiguity, we can use class name. Yes or no here? In order to resolve the ambiguity for a static variable, we can use class name, but that option is not available for instance variables. That is the reason I gave you this particular point. Am I clear with this? Please respond. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys. Kindly please respond. I hope it's clear. That is great. That is great. That is great. Please, could you please have this program for me? We can access a static variable also with the help of this keyword, but it is not recommended. Why? Because you can access a static variable directly with the help of its class name. So this is not required. Please. 2 minutes starting from now. Once again, I'm saying you ambiguity means same name. Same name. If instance variable and local variable are having same name, we'll be getting confused. That confusion, technical terminology is ambiguity. That's it. Done. Complete. How many are writing? Please raise. Please raise. Please raise. Take 1 more minute. Done, boys. Okay. Next point. Next point. It is used to call. It is used to call. It is used to call present class methods. It is used to call present class methods. Okay. Now, just let me try to remove this. Okay. Now I am removing this also. Now, guys, please observe. I'm just trying to have void method one system.out.println. Simply, I'm trying to write method one call. Okay. Void method two and simply syso system.out.println. And here I'm trying to write method two call. Just one more, please. Void method three system.out.println. I'm writing method three call. That's it. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, my requirement is I want to call method one from main method and method two from method one, method two from method one, and method three from new class A dot method three, like that. And yeah, if I execute my program, you know what is our expected output. Yes or no here? And our output will be, yeah, method one, method two, and method three call. Again, same rules. It is not at all a good programming practice. It is not at all a good programming practice to create number of objects every time, multiple objects. Okay, sir, then I'll do one thing. Let me try to remove this. Am I getting any error? Let me try to remove this. Am I getting any error? No. Let me save it. Right click, run as Java application. Sir, you said that in order to call a method, we need an object. But here we are not creating any object. Without creating any object, whenever we are trying to write a method name, just by using identifier, it is getting called. Yes. Of course, yes. It is getting called. Why? Because by default, compiler will be adding this keyword. What is the use of this? What is the second use? Please check. Tell me. It is used to call present class methods. So if you are directly writing method name, by default, compiler will be adding this keyword. You no need to specifically write it. Directly you can write method name. Enough. Automatically compiler will be adding this keyword. Now immediately a question will arise. Sir, why are we creating an object inside the main method? In main method also, this dot method one, we can write like that. Okay, let me try to remove this. Please check this. Am I getting an error? Guys, you need to remember one point. Please do listen. Remember, please listen. We can use this keyword anywhere except inside a static area. Inside a static area. Static area means it may be a static method. It may be a static block. You cannot use this keyword inside a static area. Sir, why we cannot use this keyword inside a static area? Why? Because static belongs to class. This belongs to object. Static belongs to class. So inside a static area, I repeat, inside a static area, you cannot use this keyword. Now, let me just try to, guys, I'm trying to write one more method, void method 4. Guys, please listen, void method 4. And now here I'm having a instance variable int a equal to 50. Guys, come on, concentrate. This is instance variable and I'm just trying to print instance variable inside all these methods plus a. Okay. Just a sec. And now here also plus a, and here also I am trying to write method 4 and I'm trying to write a. Now I'm making this method as a static method. Whenever I'm trying to write that as a static method, am I getting an error here? It is a non-static variable. It is an instance variable. Guys, whenever you are writing identifier name, by default compiler will be adding this like this. So here also this, here also this. You just don't know that, but by default compiler will be adding this keyword. And the reason why we are getting an error here, Exactly. Inside a static area, we cannot use answer. Exactly. That is the only reason we will be getting an compile time error. In order to avoid this, how we will be accessing a non-static variable inside a static method? Inside static method with the help of its class object, like that. Now my question is, sir, can I call, guys, please listen to the question correctly. Can I call a static method with the help of this keyword? I am not asking, guys, question, understand the question. I am not asking, can I use this keyword inside a static method? If my question is, can I use this keyword inside a static method? What is your answer? Yes or no? Now my question is, can I call a static method with the help of this keyword? Please observe here. This dot method, this dot method for. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be just, where is my exception? Oh, here. Let me just try to keep this in error, and here compile time error, because we can't use this keyword inside a static area. Inside a static area. Let me just try to execute, right click, run as Java application, and of course, yes, I'll be getting my program executed successfully. Am I clear with this? Now please answer my question. Can I call a normal method? Sorry, can I call a normal method with the help of this keyword? Answer. Static method with the help of this keyword? No. Hey, yes or no? Yes, yes. Can I use this keyword inside a normal method? Can I use this keyword inside a normal method? Can I call a static variable with the help of this keyword? Static variable, instance variable. Can I call a static method with the help of this keyword? Can I call a static method with the help of this keyword? Yes, guys, we can call. We can call a static method with the help of this keyword, but we cannot use this keyword inside a static method. Are you understanding me? Once again, come on, please answer this question. Please listen to the question clearly. Listen to the question clearly. Okay. Can I call instance variable with the help of static keyword? Sorry. Can I call instance variable with the help of this keyword? Static variable with the help of this keyword? Instance method with the help of this keyword? Yes. Can I call instance method with the help of this keyword? My question is not completed here. Can I call instance method with the help of this keyword from a static method? Can I call static method with the help of this keyword? Can I use this keyword inside a static area? Dot. Am I clear with this? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Guys, the concept is very, very simple here. You cannot use this keyword inside a static area. Dot. You can call static methods with the help of this keyword. You can call static variables with the help of this keyword, but you cannot use this keyword inside a static area. Dot. Please have this program for me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Be fast. Later, boys. Don't get distracted, please. Concentrate on the topic. Why? Because I'm gonna give you a very complicated task. Get ready for the task. At line number 19, you will be getting an warning. Yellow color line means warning. Why you are getting a warning? Why? Because it is a which method? How can you access a static method? In how many ways we can access a static method? What are those? Identifier name, class object, class name. The best recommended way is class name. So it's saying that it's a static method. Why you are using this keyword? You can access that directly with the help of an identifier name or else with the help of class name. One more minute. Okay. Is it done? Perfect. Okay. Point number 3. It is used to return the, it is used to return the instance of the present class. It is used to return the instance of the present class. Okay. Now, let me remove this. Okay. I'm just trying to have a method. Void method 1. And yep, SYSO. Simply, I'm going to write method 1 call. And here I'm trying to go with like int and return return 10. Return 10. Okay. Later discuss. Later you can discuss. Now please check this. Method 1 return type is int. Now my question is, let me go to my main method. Okay. Let me go to my main method, and here I'm going to call new class A dot method 1. Okay. Now, please listen. Please listen. Yes. What is the value returned by you? Only he should answer. What is the value returned by method 1? Louder. Louder. Exactly. The value returned by method 1 is 10. Okay. Okay. Now, buddy, you raise. Just raise your hand. Yes. The value returned by method 1 is 10. How you can use, where you can use, what you can do that with 10. What you can do with the 10. Where you can use. I'm sorry. Did you understand my question? A value is returning by method 1, guys. Method 1 is returning 10. Okay. What you can do with that 10? You tell me. We can store the value and we can print the value. We can pass that value as a parameter. We can use that value in some arithmetic operations. Am I right or wrong? Means, for example, right now, if I'm executing my program, right click run as Java application, and I'll be getting my output, that is method 1 call. I'm not using the 10 anywhere. If I want to use that, okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to write SYSO. And now if I'm writing like this, then what I'm doing? Printing the value. Okay, right click run as Java application. I'm trying to print the 10. If I'm trying to write plus 90, oh, not here. If I'm trying to write plus 90, now what I'm doing? I'm performing an arithmetic operation. Yes, are you understanding me? Okay, then yeah, right now our output will be 100. Of course, online students, I hope it's clear, guys. Guys, please respond. Online students, please respond. Please respond. Is this clear? Like the value which is returned by a method Come on, we can use that according to our requirements. If you want to print, we can print. If we want to store, we can store. If you want to perform any arithmetic operation, we can do that. If we want to pass that value as a parameter also, we can do that. It's completely our requirement. All right, that is good. That is great. Then I'll do one thing. For example, void method 2, system.out.println. This is method 2 call, and instead of int, I'm going to go with class A, and here new observe the method 1. Please observe method 1. Now answer my question, please. When you are speaking about a return type of a method, how many options we are having? Hey, come on. 4 options. 4 options. What are those? Void. All the 8 primitive data types, classes, and interfaces. Guys, you need to revise. I told you this. Our concepts, like I curated the syllabus such that each concept needs previous classes knowledge. If you are not revising, literally, you cannot enjoy the classes. Please revise. Okay. Now, when you're speaking about method return type, you know that we can give void. We can use all the 8 primitive data types. We can use classes. We can use interfaces. Now, what is the return type of this method 1? Which class? Class A. Whenever we are giving a return type as class, we need to return its object. We need to return its class object. Object or instance, both are same. Am I clear with this? Now answer my question. What is the return type of method 1? Answer. Class A. What method 1 is returning? Answer. Class A. Come on. What method 1 is returning? Class A object. Once again. Please tell me, what is the return type of method 1? Once again, what is the return type of method 1? What method 1 is returning? Class A object. Method 1 is returning class A object to main method. Okay. For example, I'll try to write new class A dot method 1. Now, once again, same question. What is the return type of method 1? What is the value returned by method 1? Class A object. Method 1 is returning class A object to. Now, how can you use that value? How can you use that object? How can you use an object? That is correct. What you are thinking is 100% correct. If you are having an object, guys, if you are having a number, what you can do with that number? You can perform arithmetic operation, we can pass parameters, we can print, we can store. If you are having an object, what you can do? We can call a method. Hey, yes or no here? Which methods you can call? That object, that respect to class object methods. Yes or no? Now, please tell me class A. In class A, we are having method 1. In class A, we are having method 1. What is the return type of this method 1? What method 1 is returning? Class A object. Class A object. Method 1 is returning class A object to main method. Now, with the help of that object, can I call method 2? Yes or no? Right click, run as Java application. Now, what if I'm having one more method? Void 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 method 3 system.out.println, and here simply I'm writing method 3 call. Now here can I write dot method 3? Think and answer. Think and answer. At line number 20, for example, I want to write dot method 3. Sorry, dot method 3. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Last chance. Why no? Method 2. What is the return type of method 2? Is it returning anything? So if you are writing like that, you will be getting an error. Now I want you to solve this. I want you to resolve this error. Tell me in which line, I need to do modifications. Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Line number 10. What I need to write? Class A. And what I should return? What I should return? RETUR in return. RETUR in return new. Class A. Yeah, I'm trying to return object and yep, I'll be getting my error solved. Calling a method like this is known as method, MEDHOD, method chaining. Method chaining. If you're trying to call multiple methods like this is known as method chaining. Again, same rules apply. It is not a good programming practice to create multiple objects. So in the place of object, I'll try to write this keyword. Could you please read the point? Used to return the instance of the present class. Means instead of writing new class A, you can write this keyword. Right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output like this. Sir, can I write this keyword here? Why? Please have this program. Please have this program. Be fast, be fast. Be fast. Be fast. Completed? Guys, completed? Okay. Okay. That is good. That is good. Right. Now, Abhishek, instance or object, both are same. Just like a synonym. Just like a synonym. Okay, Abhishek? All right. All right. Now, guys, fourth point. Okay. Guys, I need your concentration for 10, maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Please concentrate correctly. Close your books. Trust me. Close your books. Complete concentration here only. Boys, come on. That's what I'm trying to say. Please. Concentrate. Concentrate. Now, I'm writing this and this. I'm writing two things. Sir, what are these? Yeah, wait. I'll let you know. Please wait. Two things. Please concentrate. Guys, seriously, please concentrate. Concentrate. Just 3 to 4 points. That's it. Please concentrate. Point number 1. First point. It is a keyword. Sir, we already know that. Of course. But once again, it is a keyword. Terminology literally matters. Terminology. Terminology. It is a keyword. Okay. What about this one? It is a constructor call. This is a keyword. This is a constructor call. So from this moment onwards, when I say this keyword, the very first point that should be coming into your mind is keyword. Keyword. When I say this constructor call, the very first point that should be coming to your mind is like this. It is a constructor call. Keyword is different. Constructor call is different. Up to now, we discussed about keyword. Up to now, we discussed about keyword. Am I clear with this? Now, please. Point number 2. Okay. Point number 2. What is that second point? It is used to call present class variables, comma, present class methods, and return, and it is used to return the instance of the present class. As simple as this. As simple as this. 2 points. 2 points. It is a keyword. Point number 1, first point, it is a keyword and it is used to call present class variables, present class methods, and it is used to return the instance of the present class. Last point, point number 3. Point number 3. We can't use this. What is that? Keyword. Perfect. We can't use this keyword inside a, that is perfect, inside a static area or static context. We can't use this keyword inside a static area. 3 points related to this keyword. Okay. You know the difference. You know just an idea between this and this constructor call. Yes or no? Okay. Now let us speak about this constructor call. What is the use of this constructor call? It is used to call present class constructors. It is used to call present class constructors. Point number 3. Point number 3. Guys, very, 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 very important point. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. We need to use this constructor call. We need to use this constructor call only inside a constructor, that too as a first statement. We need to use this constructor call. What is this? It is a constructor call. This constructor call only inside a constructor, that too as a first statement. Okay. Now let us try to have an idea about that concept. You will be getting clear-cut picture. Now, I'm trying to have a class. Guys, please, just 5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. I'm having a method, void method 1. Okay. System.out.println. Simply, I'm trying to write method 1 call. Okay. Now I want to write a constructor. Okay. Class A. Now system.out.println default constructor. I'm just trying to write like that. That's it, not more than that. And I want to write a parameterized constructor. Class A. Just let me try to go with like class A, and here just let me go with like string yes. Okay, and system.out.println. Let me go with like parametri, parameterized constructor, and here plus yes. That's it, not more than that. Now let me go to my main method. All right. Now my requirement is I want to call my default constructor. I just want to call my default constructor. New class A data. That's it. I don't want to call my method 1. I just want to call my default constructor. Now, am I going to get my output default constructor? Yes or no? Okay. Now, I want to call parameterized constructor from main method. What I need to do? Just pass a parameter. Yes or no here? Now right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my parameterized constructor like this. Okay. Now my requirement is, what is my output right now? If I execute my program, what is my output? Now my requirement is I want to call parameterized constructor from default constructor. Come on, tell me the code. I'm sorry. Normally, how do you call? New class A here Java. Am I clear with this? Now our output will be default constructor and parameterized constructor. Guys, please concentrate. Again, same rules apply. It is not a good programming practice to create multiple objects every time. Then, in order to call this parameterized constructor, guys, please listen. Please listen. In order to call a parameterized constructor from a default constructor, we can use we can use this constructor call. Means here I'll be trying to write Java. But if you are writing like this, we will be getting an error. Why we will be getting an error? Why will be getting an error? We need to use this constructor call only inside a constructor, that too as a. So instead of here, I'll try to write here. Now tell me what is my output, first output. Guys, I'm going to ask you a question. Please observe my question correctly. If I execute my program, what is my first output? Parameterized. Which constructor will be executed first? Default or parameterized? Default constructor. First, guys, if default constructor is executed, then only line number 11 will be executed. Yes or no, yaar? Are you understanding the concept here? Please respond. Now, in this program, first, which constructor will be executed? Which constructor is getting called? Default constructor. But what will be my output? What will be my output? Parameterized constructor. Why parameterized constructor? Because we are using this constructor call. Am I clear with this? Please respond. Now, sir, I'll do one thing. I'll not write like that. Okay. I want to call parameterizer constructor from main method and default constructor from parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor from main method. Tell me the code. New class A, new class A. I'm writing Java. Now I want to call default constructor from parameterized constructor. Tell me, line number 17 or line number 19? Okay. This, am I supposed to write anything else? That's it. No parameter. It's a default constructor. Am I clear with this? Now, what is my first output? Come on. Default constructor. First, which constructor will be called? Did you understand the concept here? Now, my question is, inside a constructor, can I write like this? Come on, you can do this. Can I write like this? But guys, that is the second statement. It is the keyword. What is the restriction for a keyword? We cannot use this keyword only inside a static area. Inside a constructor, yeah, why not? Happily you can write, you will not be getting any error. For example, if I am trying to write like this. Now tell me, am I going to get any error? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why? This is a constructor call. We need to use that constructor call only inside a constructor. That too as a first statement. First statement. Guys, are you understanding the topic here? First, please have those differences. Okay, I'm trying to write. This will be generating a compile time error. Okay. Generate a compile time error. Now, if I execute my program, my output will be like this. Default constructor, method one call, parameterizer constructor, like that. Okay, okay. Now, please have these differences for me. Go ahead. Come on. I already told you, please get ready for 10 to 15 minutes more time. One minute, starting from now. Guys, open those doors. Girls, open. Completed? Completed? How many are writing? Please raise. Please raise. 30 seconds. Starting from now. 30 seconds. Time up. Please have this program and get ready for a task. Arif, did I cover that concept up to now? Did I cover that concept? Then wait. Could you please do that? Great. Thank you. Jayesh, you're asking me, sir, when we call a method with an object, it gets initialized with the constructor. No. An object will be initialized with the help of a constructor, Jayesh. Okay. Method will be called with the help of an object. Whenever we are using this keyword, already an object will be created, right? First, starting inside the main method, you will be taking that reference. Every time a new object will not be created. One more minute. After that, I'll give you a task. And done. Anyone writing? Anyone writing? Please be fast. Okay, done. Now, task. If you are giving the correct output for this program, you are perfect in this. You feel free to use shortcuts. Please feel free to use shortcuts, boys. Come on. Write the program. Write the program. Told you, I want the output today only. Right now only. Write the program. Don't discuss. Write the program. Start writing. Later you can take screenshots. Start writing. Start writing. Use shortcuts. Use shortcuts. Don't write entire system.out.println. Write the program correctly, clearly. Use shortcuts. Please observe what you are writing. Are you writing a constructor or else are you writing a method? You already know what is the syntax of a constructor and syntax of a method. Don't forget that. That's the program. I hope everyone have written the program. Shall I remove it? Take time. Trust me. Take time. Please don't try to give the output in like a hurry-burry manner. No, take time. Take time. I'm scrolling right from the top. If you miss anything, you can check that once again. The program is correct. You will not be getting any compile time errors. The program is correct. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. I'm showing you the output. Do you want the output now, or else you are going to take it as a task? Please carry on. Please carry on. Like some of my online students are having very less MB. I understand. No problem. So I'm done for the day, guys. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. Please take this as a task, and we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by Monday. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. See you again on Monday. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.